Water animals.
Children, I have exciting news for you. 4th October is World Animal Day. We will have a fancy dress competition on that day. Each of you must dress up as a water animal of your choice and say a few lines about what makes the animal you have chosen to be unique.
Fancy dress? What fun!
There are so many water animals, but I wonder what I should dress up as.
It is World Animal Day today. Class 2 proudly presents the Animal Day celebration. Our students will tell us about different water animals and how they are unique.
I am a dolphin. I am very playful. I love to leap out of the water, skyhawk, and follow ships. I sleep with one eye open. I am a jellyfish. I do not have bones in my body. I have drifted in the oceans for millions of years, even before dinosaurs existed.
I am a boxer crab. People also call me the pom-pom crab because I always carry my friend sea anemone with me wherever I go. I am the cheerleader of the oceans. When I feel threatened, I raise my boxing gloves like anemones and wave them like a boxer.
I am a pufferfish. I can fill my stomach with huge amounts of water and blow myself up to several times my normal size if I sense threat around me. I am a seahorse. I have a pout just like a kangaroo. Do you know my eyes are independent of each other? I can look in one direction with one eye and somewhere else with the other. Isn't that amazing? I am a Christmas tree worm, but don't get confused. I don't live on Christmas trees. The beautiful coral reefs are my home instead. I breathe through my spiral branches. I can remove my tree-like crowns if threatened.
We hope you enjoyed the performance by the students.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.